Now the next one is very simple, and it says that if the index of some term becomes 0, then it would always be equal to 1. So for example, we have 2015 raised to 0, means that its answer is going to be equal to 1. Minus 7, negative base. Even the negative base, if it has a 0 index, then it would be equal to 1. Similarly, it is written that 3 into y raised to 0 means y raised to 0, the answer would be 1. So 3 into 1 would be equal to 3. In the last part, the index would be applied over both the factors, 3 raised to 0, y raised to 0. Both of them would become 1, so the final answer would be 1. So this is how this rule is used. Now, in the second question, it says that 3 raised to 0 multiplied by 3 raised to 3 divided by 3 square. And this would be equal to, when the two bases are same and they are being multiplied, their indices should be added. So 3 raised to 0 plus 3, and the base which is written after the division sign, its index should get subtracted. So we would have 1 over here, and the final answer would be 3. In the second part, it says that 3 raised to 0 plus 3 square. So 3 raised to 0 means it is equal to 1. 3 square means it is equal to 9. So 9 plus 1 would become 10. And this would be the final answer for this part.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.